guys, I'm back. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing because I got this gift for Mother's Day. And it's the Dyson V7 Motorhead Origin cordless vacuum. I've been wanting one of these forever and I finally got one. And I'm going to do a little unboxing. I haven't opened this yet, so we'll see how this works. Probably going to do a little demonstration and then show you guys how this works. But I'm kind of reading this box here and it says quick release catches, click on and off tools for different tasks. So obviously it can be one big vacuum, obviously, and then you can detach like a little version of the vacuum and work on like stairs or couches and things like that. And then it says, the Dyson Digital Motor V7 generates strong suction. It spins at up to 107,000 RPM, creating a powerful cord-free vacuum. 2-tier radial cyclone sealed system. Max mode provides higher suction for more difficult tasks. Fade-free nickel cobalt magnesium batteries, delivering up to 30 minutes of fade-free power. Soft touch trigger conserves power on when you need it, off when you don't. 75% more brush bar power than the Dyson V6 cord-free vacuum. Transforms to clean up high, weighs under 6 pounds, and transforms to a handheld for cars, sofas, and stairs. I've been dying to see how this thing works, so let's go ahead and open it up. Obviously you got the instructions here and manuals of like how this works and warranties and things like that. And here, let's see, so this talks about warranty. Let's see. So this looks like the big part of the vacuum. So okay, so these are the instructions and assembly instructions. So I took all the packaging and wrapping out, and I'm just gonna start putting this together. So you basically just click it in. So it looks like this goes here, like that. And then this goes to this side, like that. So it's pretty much put together, and then it comes with this little charger because obviously it's cordless. Okay, so basically it just goes through diagnostics of the different colored lights and how they're charging, and which colors mean that they're on, Flashing blue means no power to charge battery. Flashing amber means no power, temporary fault. Solid amber means fault and to contact the Dyson helpline. And then flashing red means fault, contact Dyson helpline. So that's cool that it gives you different colored lights and different signals of like what could be wrong with it. So that's cool. And it just goes through how to empty the bin, cleaning the bin, washable parts. Okay, so it says your machine has washable parts which require cleaning. Okay, so washing your filter, looking for blockages, charging and storage. So it kind of goes through everything with you. That's cool. And then there's just like little diagrams that like kind of show you how to do it and how to clean different items. So this is the charger. Yeah, so it basically is asking to charge for 3.5 hours, except the question that I have is it already charged or am I gonna have to charge it now? Probably. Okay, so, and it has different suction settings, powerful suction and max suction. So it's gonna have 2 suction settings, which are, where are they at? Okay, so it looks like here, this is where your suction settings are on this switch. So this one is the high suction, and then you just flip it to the side for max suction. And then it looks like this is how you empty it. So you pull this little trigger here, and I'm just gonna open this up like this. Oh, okay, so it comes all the way apart, and then this thing. Okay, so you could just take this out. This looks like it comes apart like this. And then this thing opens up on the bottom. So you can empty it out in your trash can and then put it back. So let's see how we do this here. Okay, that's easy enough. So you just pull it out and empty it. So it looks like it's a little bit charged. This says it's 20% charged. And then it says charge fully before use. So it looks like it's a little bit charged now. And then yeah, there's little directions on the side that tell you how to empty the cartridge. And then it's exactly how I did it. You just pull here, that opens, and then you close it back. I don't think you're supposed to lift it all the way out like I just did. You're just supposed to lift it a little bit. So that's cool. So I'm gonna take these stickers off, so I don't need them. Whoa. And then it comes like with this little, this is for, to hook on here. So if you wanna do the stairs or your couches or like smaller areas like up top, I don't know, then that's for this. And it has like a little extender, so it actually, I don't know if you guys can see that it comes out longer. So it has that brush on the end of it. So that's cool. And then this is how it sounds when it's on. So it's kind of loud. Wasn't expecting that. And then, oh, this must be just like a little carrier, like holding station maybe. Okay. So it looks like it just holds it in place, I guess, and then I guess you could just put your stuff here. I don't know. If you're gonna store it, I don't know how you would store it, but Okay. So the thing with these Dyson vacuums, I don't really know much about these vacuums, but I see a lot of YouTubers using them, especially when they do their cleaning videos and things like that. They'll always have this Dyson vacuum, or they have some other cordless vacuum that's a different brand, but I see a lot of these Dysons. So I wanted to try this out. I heard this was a really good brand. A lot of the cleaning videos that I watch, a lot of them were saying that this was their favorite and this worked the best. So I wanted to try this out, and I want to do a little demonstration. So I just vacuumed this area, and you can tell where I vacuumed, and it's spotless. So it looks like it did a really good job. I don't see any crumbs. I had a ton of crumbs that I sprinkled on the floor over here just to see how it would pick it up. And it looks good. So now I'm gonna do the stairs. My stairs haven't been vacuumed in ages, so I'm gonna see how that looks, and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm gonna detach this now, and I'm gonna try this on the stairs. So I'm gonna detach this. I'm gonna attach this, and you can, like I said, you can either have it like that, or you can have it with the brush. I'm gonna have it with the brush, and then you just push this down if you want to adjust it back and forth, and let go to lock it. Now I'm going to keep it like this and just use this handheld. It's actually pretty light. It's got a little weight to it, but not too bad. So I'm going to try the stairs now. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I did the first couple of steps with this little brush, but it's really mainly only for like picking up debris. It didn't really like scrub the stairs, so I'm going to use this attachment to do that, just to get more of like a thorough clean. So I'm going to do that now. And then I'm gonna run through the full set of stairs. Okay, so I just finished vacuuming the first part of the stairs, and it did a pretty good job. I'll show you guys. So it did a pretty thorough job. And then, like I said, you can use the other little attachment to get kind of more like the bigger debris and things like that. But this pretty much did like a full scrub on the steps. So I think it's pretty good. I like it. Definitely cleaner than what we had. Our other vacuum that we have is huge and definitely wouldn't have been able to fit to do this job. So I'm happy that we were able to finally clean the stairs with something more efficient, and that's the result. So again, this is the attachment, and then I'm gonna empty the debris real quick. I'm just gonna undo this flap. I mean, you could see, look at all that dust in there. You could see, and that's just from doing literally that one little spot that I showed you and the first part of the stairs, and it got all that dust. I don't know if you guys can see. So I'm just gonna empty this real quick. So this is just a simple empty out, and then I close this back, and then I'm ready to go again. I actually looked at the box, and it did say 30-minute use, and then you have to recharge again. And then it said about 3.5 hours for full charge. So out of the pros and cons of the video, I would say definitely 30 minutes is not too long, especially if you're gonna be doing a full cleaning day. So if you're gonna do a full cleaning day and you're gonna be vacuuming for more than 30 minutes, especially if you got carpet like everywhere in your house, then I would say start with like the first half of your house, and then maybe charge, and then like do a couple of other tasks, and then finish the rest of your house after charging for a little bit longer. So I would say that's probably one of the cons about it, but other than that, first impression is definitely pretty good. I would say it's definitely, it scrubs. So my other big vacuum, it's just a cheapy like store brand vacuum that you buy from like Walmart or Target, and it never really seemed like it did like a scrub. Like the bristles didn't really work very well, and it didn't seem like it always picked up thoroughly enough. So it does seem like this picks up pretty thoroughly because it has those spinning bristles. And I like the detachments. I like that it's cordless. It's definitely lightweight and does the job efficiently. And I like to vacuum a lot, especially if you have kids that are always like munching on things and they have crumbs everywhere and stuff like that. So this is definitely just like a quick grab out of the pantry, and then just go and like do like a quick vacuuming sesh like real quick. So I definitely say that that's definitely one of the pros about it. But if you guys want more in-depth overview of the vacuum and kind of like in a few months to seeing kind of like what my thoughts are about it after a few months versus now, then definitely leave a comment below. Subscribe if you like it. Let me know in the comments below what videos you guys would like to see next, what you thought of this video, and what you think of the vacuum, if you have a vacuum, and what you like about it and what you don't like about it. And I'm gonna go clean the rest of my house now. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.